chef here at NKU, and I'm going to show you how to make an apple cake in a mug in the microwave. So first to start, I want to show you the base, and the base is going to be the cake mixture. So you're going to take your flour, 3/4 of a cup. You're going to take your cinnamon, which is 1/4 of a teaspoon. You're going to take your sugar, which is 1/4 of a cup, and just stir that around a little. And next you're going to add baking powder, and make sure that it's powder. You don't want to get it mixed up with the soda, because they do two different things. They do the same thing, but you need the powder because soda has to have acid, and if you don't have an acid, which we're not going to have an acid in it, then it's not going to rise properly. And you want it to get nice and fluffy in the microwave. So we add all those. Those are the dry ingredients. And next we're going to add all the wet. And so we're going to do milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Doesn't matter what order. You put them all in. And you give it a good stir. You want to make sure you get as many lumps out as you can. You want the batter to be pretty smooth, but you don't have to whisk it or do anything crazy like that to get it perfectly smooth. You just want to get it good and mixed together. So we're going to continue mixing and get it nice and smooth. So it looks like that. It looks like a cake batter. And it smells really good from the cinnamon. So next we're going to take our mug. I got an extra big mug because why not? I like to eat cake. And so we're going to scoop it, but we're going to layer it. We're going to layer it with some apple pie filling. And you can make your own if you want, but it can be a hassle. So you can also get it from the store. It just is apple pie filling, nothing special. You can find it in the baking aisle. And we're going to layer that with our cake mixture. So we'll do the cake first. Just a big scoop in the bottom. Then we're going to add some apples. And this part you can really do to taste. If you like a lot of apples, add a lot. If you just want to do a little bit in each layer, that's fine too. Then we're going to do some cinnamon sugar. And this is also to taste. You can do more cinnamon if you like it to have a little more of a bite to it, or a little more sugar if you want it more sweet. And we're just going to sprinkle that on top of the apples to give it a little extra flavor. And then our final layer of the cake mixture. Spread it around a little bit so then you can get all of it covered with the cinnamon sugar. Alright, so then we're going to microwave this. Now, because this is a bigger mug, because this is all of the mixture, it's going to take like 7 or 8 minutes. But if you do it with smaller mixtures, you want to share with a friend, or you want to save one for later, then you just do it in smaller mixture, or smaller amounts, and you microwave it for about 3 minutes. So we're going to get our final product out, and here it is. We've got the apple cake layered with the apple filling and the cinnamon sugar. We've got a crust of cinnamon sugar on top, and you definitely want to eat it while it's nice and warm. That looks really good. And then you could also get some whipped cream or some ice cream and eat it with that as well.